Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting, and our topic today is accounting for cash payments. Very interesting topic. And what is cash payments journal? It is a special journal used to record only cash payment transaction. And it looks like that. Date, account title, check number, post-ref, that is the code for this account title. If it is debit or credit, on cash. If it is accounts payable, a debit on accounts payable because we are payments only, we are paying it. Purchase discount and cash credit. So this is how the cash payments work. And then, what do we have? Okay guys, short break and we are back. So, general debit or credit for the account title. We will be looking at it better on Excel. Accounts payable, if we are paying accounts payable. Purchase discount, if we have it, they are credit accounts. And cash credit to balance our journal entry. So to balance our cash payments journal. And we have two kinds of discounts. The first one is trade discount. The retail price listed in a catalog or on an internet site is called a list price. A trade discount is a reduction in the list price granted to a merchandising business. The price after the trade discount has been deducted from the list price is referred to as the net price. And usually we record the net price. So we don't record trade discount. So okay, I am purchasing something and the list price is $100. I get a $10 trade discount. My net price is $90. I will record the $90. However, we also have the cash discount, and this one we record it because it is a deduction that a vendor allows on an invoice amount to encourage prompt payment. Okay, I purchase. The purchase is $100, and I will pay it in 30 days. And then my supplier tells me, if you pay it now, I give you 5% discount. Or if you pay in 10 days, I give you 5% discount. So my purchase was $100. It was recorded. Now the payment will be less than $100. And the difference is the cash discount. And then we have the journal amount column that is not hidden with an accounting title is called a general amount column. And we call it purchase discount or cash discount, just like this one. So the period of time during which a customer may take a cash discount is called the discount period. When a company that has purchased merchandise on account takes a cash discount, it is called a purchase discount. So many textbooks, they call cash discount as purchase discounts. An account that reduces a related account on a financial statement is called a contra account. So purchase discount is a contra account of purchase. So here, what do we have? For instance, when I see it 2/10 and /30, what does it mean? It means that 210 means 2% of the invoice amount may be deducted if the invoice is paid within 10 days of the invoice date. Purchase, 100. And we have these 210 and 30. So here, what do we have? Purchase, 100. If I pay in 10 days, I can pay 98. However, the net 30 means that the total invoice amount must be paid within 30 days. So let's assume that we are on April 1st. Purchase 100. And 30 means I need to pay this 100 until April 30th. However, if I pay until April 10th, I can pay only 98. So let's see how these cash payments journal, what the discounts, how they work. So here, let's go to our Excel file. And remember, guys, all our Excel files, they are free, and the link to download it is in our video description. Let me just change it here. So, okay, a lot of tables to work with. So let me zoom it a little. And let me freeze panes here. So okay, doesn't matter if we go down. The first two row is frozen and the two columns is also frozen. Okay, so here, transaction 1, date May 3rd. So May 3rd, account title. So what do we have here? Expense, advertising expense, and we pay it. So cash. So if we are paying cash payments, cash will be always credit. So here we have a credit, cash, a debit, advertising expense. And here, check 689. We don't have the code for the advertising expense. So debit 700 and cash credit 700. So this is our general journal. How do I move from general journal to cash payments journal? So the date, the same date, May 3rd. What we are paying? We are paying item advertising expense. Check number 689. This is a debit. So a debit 700. And it is not accounts payable, not purchase discount. Cash credit, the same 700. So here we have debits and credits. They are balanced. Buying supplies. So here, wrote a check to Wells Office Supply for store supplies. So here, May 6th. Okay. Supplies. Store. We can name it. And then check 690. Debit $80. Credit $80. And our credit is cash. So here we are paying it. So cash payment. Again, date, what we are paying, supplies. Check number 690. How much? $80. And cash credit, the same, $80. Now, cash payment for purchase. So here, May 9th, and purchase from Polar. So, debit, purchase, check, whoops, 697. How much? 600. Cash 600. And then we have the general ledger here for purchases. no idea. So let's assume that our beginning balance on May, $20,000 on May 1st, and then May 9th. Who is our supplier? Polar Refrigeration. And our debit here, supplies. Whoops. Purchase, $600. And the total debit of purchase is $20,753. Remember, the general ledger we have for all of our accounts. However, it is missing here cash payment. A lot of work here on cash payments. May 9th, who we are paying it? Polar Refrigeration. Check number 697. Debit, $600. And credit cash, $600. And by the way, much is better these $600 here. And this one, these $700 here. Perfect. So this transaction 3, cash payment for purchase. Now, the hardest one. Payment on account with purchase discount. So here on May 14th. Cash payment to Gale Electric. So we are paying accounts payable. Check number 702. And then what we are paying? We are paying $833. However, the invoice for $89 is $850. So here we are paying the invoice for $89. The invoice is $850. So what we are paying on debit? We are paying $850. That is what we are paying. However, how much we are paying on cash? And then check 702. We are paying $833. So $833 is how much we are paying. However, it is not balanced. It is missing 17 on credit. So it is missing 17 on credit. And then this is the purchase discounts. And a credit, so a contra account here. Purchase discount. How do we record it on cash payments? So cash payment, April 14th. Who we are paying? Gale Electric. Check number 702. We are paying general. No, it is not general account. It is accounts payable. How much we are debiting? We are debiting $850. Purchase discount credit, do we have? Yes. 17. And cash credit, $833. Now, the sum of credits, $850, matches the sum of debit. And we have the general ledger of accounts payable. We will put it in a hold for now. So here, let's add a yellow here. And transaction number 5. Transaction number 5, payment on account without purchase. May 21st. Again, accounts payable, and we are paying the invoice $468, debit 1,000 equal 1,525, And credit, cash, check, 706, 1,525. Now it's much easier on cash payments here. May 21st, who we are paying? S&R Imports. Check number 706. There's no general accounts here. Accounts debit, 1,525. No discount. Cash credit, 1,525. So again, here on yellow, we are paying accounts payable. And here, or nothing. Much better. Perfect. And the last one, replenishing a petty fund. So here on May 22nd, what we are replenishing here? We are replenishing advertising expense. How much? Advertising expense, 85. What else? Store supplies that we call these accounts supply stores. So supply stores, additional 6518. And miscellaneous expense, 1865. Cash over. Oh, I don't remember if it is debit or credit. Let's put on hold. And cash. Cash, I know it is credit because we are paying it. And then check number 707. We are paying 168.28. How do I know if this cash is over or under? Or debit or credit? It's easy. Let's do a equal sum of our debits. Oops, something went wrong here. Equal sum of our debits. 168.83. So the sum of debits is greater than the sum of credits. So the sum of debits, 0.83. Greater than the sum of credits, 0.28. So we need a credit to balance, because if we copy and paste this formula here, this journal entry is not balanced. So we need a cash over to be on credit, and now our journal entry is balanced. Nice trick here to remember if we need a debit or credit. Okay? And now, how much is our cash payments? So May 22nd. What we are paying? So we are paying first. So to make it easier, let's copy and paste everything here. Okay, copy and paste, much easier. And everything we are paying with the check 707. So check 707 for everyone here. So what do we have? And then the same date. We can leave it blank because it's the same date, or we can copy and paste. Debit, advertising. So all of these, they are general accounts. So they are not accounts payable. So here, debit, advertising expense. Advertising expense, 85. Supplies, 65. Miscellaneous, 18. They are here. And cash over, it is not a debit, it is a credit. So cash over, it is a credit. And no accounts payable, and the cash credit is here 168. So again, the sum of our credits, and we can look at here on Excel, see how cool it is. 168.83, 168.83. They are matching. So we are good. And now, totals. How much do we pay on general accounts? On debit, 1,548. On credit, accounts payable, purchase, and cash credit. How do we know if this is right or wrong? We go with outside our cash payments, sum of debits, or here, sum of debits. How much is the sum of debits? The journal debit plus accounts payable debit. 3,924. Sum of credits. How much? The credits here plus purchase discount credit plus cash credit, 3,924. They are matching, so we are good. And then yellow and green, color of the Brazilian flag, my home country. And now, okay, we need to move these two payments of accounts payable to our accounts payable general ledger. We can do it in two ways. So here we have the previous month, the April, month of April, and we can do here first approach. What do we do? 5/31, the total payments or cash payments, and we debit the total here, accounts payable debit. So we do that approach, and then the balance will be previous balance previous balance less debits plus credits, 17,777. But we also have, and this is usually what we have in our textbooks, okay? We have a second approach. We transfer the payments when they occur, when they happen. So what our second approach would be equal May 14th, which one is it? We are paying Gale Electric. How much? So debit 850. And why I personally prefer this one? We can match with our credits and debits. So here, blue, a blue here. And then my ending balance will be previous balance, that is credit, less debit, plus credit, 19 for now. The second one, previous balance less debit plus credit. Because we have a second one. A second one here. May 21st. SR imports. How much? $1,525.50. And now the ending balance, of course, will be the same, but we can also match here. It is this one. So some orange here. So we have these two approaches. And why this purchase here? We have a purchase supplies or purchase polar refrigeration. Why this purchase is not here on accounts payable? Because it was a cash purchase. Okay, and of course we would have some other purchase on account here. We would be recording, and by the way, we have a video about merchandise purchase. And by the way, this video is in our video description. Okay, and by the way, guys, subscribe to our channel. It is very important to us. And again, this Excel file is in our video description. Okay, guys, so this is our video for cash payments. A lot of cash payments here. So watch this video how many times you want or how many times you need. And share it to your friends, please. Friends, classmates, and so on. Instructor too, if they don't know it yet. So guys, thank you so much. Questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarpin@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.